everybody, welcome to Stack Days Day 2. Today we'll be working on remove element. Essentially what this problem says is given an input array of integers, you need to extract all of the ones that are value and then count the amount of numbers that are not value. So you don't actually need to extract them, you just need to sort the array so that the non-value integers are at the start. And whatever's after that doesn't matter. So this could be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, unicorn, unicorn. Well, that wouldn't work because unicorn's not an integer. But anyway, and then the constraints, the array is going to be larger than or equal to 0, less than 100. And values are going to be between 0 and 50, and the input value is in between 0 and 100. So I'm a visual learner. Let's go through a quick drawing of this. Went ahead and drew this up beforehand just to save some time. So for this example test case, we'll be given an integer array with 3, 2, 2, and 3. The value we are looking to remove is 3, and our count will start at 0. Count is going to be a way that I'm going to keep track of the output variable. And so we need to return a count of 2, and the first two elements in the integer array need to be the non-3 values, which are 2 and 2. So there's a couple ways you can go about doing this. One really important thing is that this one needs to be done in place. And so I think an easy way to do that is we could actually just iterate. I think we could just iterate through the array and say, like, if this, well, so here's the thing, count is also going to basically be a pointer. So we could say, are you equal to value? If you are, I don't care about you. Are you equal to the value? No. So then what we can do is set the value at count equal to this value. And then we can increase count. And then just by doing that, you will now point there. And then that will be that loop. So then we'll be pointing here. Are you equal to value? No. So what do I want to do? I want to set the value at count equal to this. So it already was, but just for the sake of this. And then we'll set count to 2. And then so that will move my arrow to there. And then on the next iteration of the loop, equal to value, so I don't care. And I think that should work. So I'll have my 2 pointers going through. I could just use a for loop, and my I will be this pointer, and my count is this pointer. So we'll need to have a the integer count, and then we'll do for and I equals 0. I is less than nums.length. So yeah, just nums.length. And then what we'll do is do well, yeah, I only care if you are not the value. So let's think, yeah, if nums.I not equals value is all I care about, then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to set nums at count equals nums.I. Count will increase. account. Let's see if this works. Probably won't. Okay, let's try and think, are there any edge cases where this might not work? I can't think of any edge cases that this doesn't take into account. Also, it's good practice. We'll just add, this is O of n. Okay, let's go ahead and see. I don't, maybe this will work. Okay, this works, and I believe this should just be O of n, and this should be O of 1. Yeah, O of 1. Okay. Well, thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's keep stacking days together.